I came back from the dentist at 7, okay, and I got this idea for a new reel, and I just decided அந்த ரீலை நம்ம உடனே எடிட் பண்ணி உடனே போஸ்ட் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி அதுலேயே ஒரு 45 minutes waste பண்ணிட்டு right now it's 8:05, okay. I just took a bath and I came, so I have a list of things to do, and before that I'm going to do my skincare because already 8 hours. I'll probably sleep by like 10 to 11 max. This is just aloe vera gel with water mixed. Nothing fancy. I am legit using the same products that I have been using for over a year. This is the Sugandha's hyaluronic acid serum. So for the past like week or so, I've been trying to be productive, like konjam at least productive, and like ana na vande every day okay va list போட்டு வைக்கிறேன் இது இதெல்லாம் பண்ணனும் அப்படி, but I'm not doing. But yesterday I somehow did konjam productive. I studied a bit and inga I like moved around. And so next step is the minimalist niacinamide serum. I use this or the Sugandha's niacinamide serum alternative days, alternative nights, okay. This is almost going to be over. This is like my holy grail product, okay. இது வந்து நான் ஒரு 1000 yearsக்கு purchase பண்ணுவேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். This like helped me a lot with my pigmentation and scarring. This is the Bubble Farm's rose and cinnamon lip serum. So nice. I'm going to be using this aloe vera gel from Bubble Farm, which is my holy grail, and the Sugandha's pure squalene. Rendathu mix panni because I need to finish this product. It's been like quite some time, so I'm like mixing it and using.